Thank you for calling our shop. This is Jesse. How can I help you? Oh, yes, sir. Let me go talk to him. I believe he started on your car a while ago. He should be done soon, but let me put you on hold and I'll go check with him. Thank you. Hey, how much longer you got on that car?
What are you talking about? I just started this. I thought you wanted me to do the Honda first.
No, I said to do this car first and then do the Honda. How much longer are you gonna be?
I don't know. The parts aren't even here yet because you didn't order them. That's why I did the Honda first. Tell them like 3 or 4 hours.
All right, well the parts are on their way. Hurry up. It's gonna throw the whole schedule off.
Dumbass.
Dumbass. Hello, sir. You still there? Thank you for waiting. The mechanic said it's probably gonna be another 3 or 4 hours, so if you don't mind waiting, I'll send our... Yeah, I know. I know what I said. My apologies. It's just taking a little bit longer than we anticipated. But either way, we'll have our driver come pick you up. How about 3 o'clock? Does that work for you? Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good day. When you're your own boss, there's nobody to blame when things go wrong or mistakes get made than yourself. It all falls back on you. So, welcome to GearHeads. My name's Jesse, and if that wasn't enough of a hint for you, that short little skit and that statement, I have big news. I started my own shop. So I wanted to give you guys an update over basically what's been going on the last year, just because I haven't really been putting videos out for about that long. And a lot has happened in that amount of time, obviously, and 2020 has also probably been a crazy year for everyone. So let's just give a quick rundown of what happened and what led to where I am right now, and then talk a little bit about what the plans are from here on out. My apologies also if it's a bit echoey. I'm probably going to have to upgrade and get like lapel mics or something like that for myself eventually, but for right now this is how it's just going to have to be. So anyway, about a year ago I was working for my old boss. I'd worked for him for a few years. I would commute down to work to his shop, and I was working at a 3-man shop. Right at about the end of the year it ended up going down to a 2-man shop, and then in the exact same week we found out that we were going to have to move. The place that we were at was expanding and they needed the extra space in their building, so we had to move and go find somewhere else to go. That basically led to, from the beginning of January to the end of February, we went from being a 2-man shop, moving to another location, a shop that was shutting down, taking on a lot of their customers, expanding our own, and going from being a 2-man shop to a 5-man shop. So it was a very, very busy few months, and obviously all the plans I had got put on the back burner. About that time, towards the end of the year last year, I was finally getting started working on my Miata again. We're doing projects on the Jeep occasionally, and was starting to get, you know, some of those things done and getting some videos put out, and I was doing tool reviews and stuff like that too. And like I said, after explaining that, obviously that all kind of went out the window once the beginning of 2020 started and we were going through all that stuff. Then also the coronavirus hit, but I have to say honestly, I don't want to talk too much about the coronavirus, but I want to say I'm grateful because for me and my family, we have been able to continue working. Obviously, I am very blessed in the fact that I was able to even just start a shop and make, you know, go out on my own and do a venture like this. So I'm very grateful for that. I hope all of you out there have been doing well the last year. But in any case, let's move on a little bit. So starting through the spring during, you know, peak COVID times or whatever, I was basically still just working a lot. We were very lucky actually. Our shop was very busy and we didn't really slow down much at all. So I was still busy with work and keeping that place going, and then we started doing some projects on the Jeep. We started doing a few other projects here and there, and I do have them filmed. They will be going out as a part of a series, but I would like to get more actually done on it so I can start uploading them on a schedule versus just sporadically over the course of a year, you know, how long the project's actually going to take. In any case, that leads me up into around July or so, and then that was about the time I decided that I was ready, and I let my boss know that I was going to be out by the end of the year, and then obviously that became my focus, starting this place and getting everything prepared, all the legal stuff, saving money, and just planning and whatever. That took precedence over the YouTube channel again, so it got put on the back burner, but it was worth it, put a lot of hard work in, and here we are. And I also would just like to say thank you so much to any of my friends and family that were involved in helping with all this, because there is no way that I could have done all this by myself. Honestly, it's just very humbling and very grateful. I had so much help getting this place started. My boss also, my old boss, awesome guy, he gifted me the air compressor. I got a nice big Ingersoll Rand 3-phase compressor out there that I can use to run the air in my shop. And he also helped me out with some other tools and other things that I was going to need. So I'm very grateful for all the people in my life that have, you know, gifted me with time, gifted me with, with tools, gifted me with other things, and all their efforts to help me get this place set up, because it was a lot of work and there's no way I could have done it alone. So thank you to everybody, and yeah, that leads me to where we are now. We are in the we're in the beginning of December, and very end of October was the last, the last day in October was my last day at my old job, and first week of November we spent coming in here and setting this place up. It was completely bare, there was nothing on the walls, nothing on the floors, no lift, no anything. And in that week, we got the shop air in, we got the lift up, we redid the office and got the office set up. We brought in a lot of the equipment and tools and other stuff that we have here around the shop. And then I just have spent the last few weeks, I started taking customers in the second week of November, and I also was very lucky with that. I had a lot of work lined up, like, old stuff I used to do for side work. I just kept pushing it off, telling people, just wait, I'll have my own shop, so just, whatever the car needs can wait till then, let's wait until then. And that brings us to now, in December. Most of the shop is pretty set up. I still have some stuff that I need to do. I have some shelving that I need to add. But yeah, my next goal now is when I have free time and I'm not too busy working, I'm going to be doing more YouTube videos again. So I want to get started on the Jeep project. I have all kinds of stuff we need to get done on that thing. I've got lots of tools to review for you guys, and other projects in the future that will be coming along the way. In any case, I just wanted to share that with you guys, give you an update, let everybody know what's going on and what happened in the last year and what the future plans are. So if you have any comments or you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section. Sorry, I'm tired. It's been a long month. But in any case, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting me and just keeping up with what's going on. And you'll be seeing more of me soon. We have this nice new big place to be to be doing videos in, and hopefully getting a lot of my personal projects done that got put on the back burner for so long. Obviously, the business is going to take precedence, and that is the priority. As long as I have a lot of work keeping me busy with that, then this is just going to be on the side, after hours, stuff like that. But if things do get slow, I'll be I have no problem. I can work on projects here, making videos for you guys during the day also. So in any case, thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you're all doing well, and as always, keep wrenching.